Hello mga kuya, welcome to a weird vlog. Today we're vlogging with a Fujifilm camera. This is the Fujifilm X-T100 pre-production unit with the kit lens 15 to 45, there you go. With an external microphone, as you can see right here, because the Fujifilm has external. I should really not look at the LCD. So we're just gonna do a quick unboxing and test of a hard drive that I bought from, this is just, your typical test scenario for this kind of stuff that I have. We're shooting 1/50, 24 frames per second, f3.5 right now. Get the most light, and yeah, I'm gonna show you the hard drive now. Hard drive. There you go. Hard drive. Western Digital. Get that focus, Koya. There we go. And oh, don't fall off my table. There we go. We're gonna start unboxing that guy. Alright, people. This is our unboxing. Or unstatic bagging of the 2TB Western Digital WD20EZRZ. This is the WD Blue. This is for most computing tasks. This is a SATA drive, 6 GB per second maximum speed, but of course, that's not gonna be reached by this hard drive. It's still sealed, so let's get this going. Ooh, okay, that's a clean cut. Very nice. And the hard drive is in here. Inside this anti-static bag. There we go. Ooh, nice. So we got nice metal top right here, shininess. And you can see all my details, my serial numbers and stuff. Product of Thailand. According to this, it was produced March 21st, 2018. I'm buying this July 4th. So if you live in the United States, happy Independence Day to you guys. Interesting. I think that's an old port cable, but I'm only going to use these, right? So no screws, no other instruction manual for this kind of thing. I think this is what they would call something like not OEM, but more like a system integrator type of packaging. I don't know if this is an actual system integrator type of, hard drive, or maybe this is how hard drives are sold now. But yeah, 2TB, nice and shiny, 3.5 millimeter, size. So here we go. Then we have a silica packet right there. You can eat anything you want, but don't eat the silica packet. Okay? You can eat you can eat the bag of the silica gel. You can eat the anti-static bag. You can eat this keyboard, but don't eat the silica gel. Weird, but okay. You can eat everything else. There's no. I mean, if they're gonna warn you not to eat this, why not warn you not to eat this as well? Okay. Anyway, let's get a screwdriver and get this into my desktop over there. Desktop, which is behind that monitor over there. Alright mga kuya, we have the hard drive already installed. As you can see, it's on this drive here, WD storage, 1.81 terabytes, basically 2TB drive. And here is a quick way to find out how fast it is. I'm writing to it right now, 69%. You can see that the average speed right now, we're doing about 100 MB per second. I'm transferring a bunch of video recorded stuff from playing video games, and I recorded the video game content and stuff. There's a big spike about 400 MB per second at the start, but it definitely flats out to about 100. As you can see, 95, 97, 105. And that's what we're doing. We're copying stuff to the WD storage. I'll do a crystal disk mark after this one. Alright, so here is our speed test, our crystal disk mark, the newest version. As you can see, the read-write speeds is pretty much the same. And the rest of the numbers you can see exactly right there, you know, 4K something IB. Anyway, so 151.5 read, 143.0 write, pretty standard speeds right there. We were expecting around those numbers. Actually, those are slightly higher than I thought. I thought I'd get like 120, 130, but 151, 143, that's pretty good. All right, so there you go. That's our Western Digital new blue 2 terabyte hard drive. Thanks for watching. I bought it for about $60, or no, actually $50 plus, 3,280 pesos in Philippine pesos. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.